Hey, if you think Facebook video ads always outperform image ads, you need to continue watching this video. And before we jump into what works best, images or videos with Facebook ads, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. And to me, when it comes to what works best, image ads or video ads on Facebook, I think that's something you can easily and you should absolutely A/B test. So for example, let's say I have a budget of $100. I might spend the first 10% or 20% of that budget A/B testing in the first couple of days. And then depending on that A/B test, I might pause one campaign and then let the other campaign run for the whole duration of that campaign. Now, I want to show you something right here. So here I am logged into my ads manager and we're going to look at two campaigns. So for April event, this April event and images, and then April event videos. So everything inside these campaigns is the same. The only difference is, and you can probably tell, the first campaign is using images, the second campaign is using videos. Now look at this data. So image campaign, we had 7 sales at a $30 per sale, and the product we're selling is $500. So we're spending $30 to make one sale, and we made 7 sales with the image campaign. Now with the video campaign, look at this. We made one sale and we spent $55. So we spent twice as much. The video campaign spent twice as much as compared to the image campaign. And also look at the reach of the image campaign is a lot higher. So I think we did, after some time, we did pause the video campaign and we let the image campaign run for the duration of the whole the campaign period, because we were getting twice as much better results with the image campaign, right? So it doesn't make sense to run or pay higher with the video campaign. So this is what I wanted to show you guys in this video. And in this example, yeah, images are outperforming the videos, but I have tons of other examples where the opposite was true. The image campaign outperformed the video campaign. But the point is, that's something, and I'm a big fan of #ABT, always be testing. When it comes to Facebook ads, do not guess. Do not go by what you read online. Do not go by just random guesses. You can easily A/B test your assumption. You can easily A/B test, like in this example. Now, let me go inside and I want to show you what's inside these campaigns. So these campaigns are actually dynamic creative campaigns, which means we have in the image campaign, we have a bunch of images uploaded and we're letting Facebook A/B test those images for us. So Facebook is showing the right image to the right audience. So here I am. This is the inside campaign. This is the image campaign. And now I'm gonna go inside the ad, the actual ad, and I want to show you we are using multiple images. So look at this. Yeah, so we're using, look at this, we're using a bunch of images, 3 images in this case for this campaign. Very, very simple, and everything else is similar to what we have in the video campaign. Now I'm gonna go to the video campaign and show you guys what's inside that campaign. And that's also dynamic creative campaign. So when you use dynamic creative campaigns inside Facebook Ads Manager, you can either upload bunch of images or you can upload bunch of videos. All right, so let's go inside this campaign. And then this is the video campaign now. So I'm gonna go inside the actual ad and let's scroll down. And now we should have bunch of everything else here is the same, the copy, the headline. And the only difference is now we're using these videos, right? So in one dynamic creative campaign, we have images. In the second dynamic creative campaign, we have the videos. That's it. That's the only difference. The audience, the text, everything else that we had in there was exact copy of each other. All right, let's go back, and as you can look at the results, the data doesn't lie, right? So in this case, we got image campaigns to work much better than the video campaigns. And like I said, there are tons of other examples I have in other ad accounts where the opposite was also true. But what I wanted to show you guys in this video today is when it comes to what works best between images and videos, you can easily A/B test. And again, if you have a budget of, let's say, $100, spend the first 10% or maybe 20% of your budget in the initial, let's say, 2 days or 3 days. Do a testing similar to this, and then you can let the data tell you, what's working best and where you should put more focus and more budget. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye for now.